But before we reveal who they are, you need to understand why this shift is so different from anything humanity has faced before. Because this is not just a technological revolution. It is a psychological revolution. For decades, society trained people to follow a predictable path. Study hard, get a degree, find a stable job, work consistently, climb slowly, retire safely. This formula worked in an industrial economy. It even worked in the early internet era. But the AI economy does not reward predictability. It rewards adaptability. And that single difference changes the destiny of millions. Because the education system still trains memory, while the market now rewards problem solving. Companies once valued employees who followed instructions perfectly. Now they value individuals who can think independently and collaborate with intelligent systems. This means something very uncomfortable. The safest path is no longer safe. The traditional idea of job security is slowly dissolving, not disappearing overnight, but eroding silently, year by year. You won't wake up one morning and see robots taking over every office. Instead, you will notice smaller changes. One colleague replaced by automation. One department downsized because of AI tools. One role merged with another because software became more capable. And these small shifts compound over time until the structure of the workforce itself is completely transformed. This is why many people feel confused about the future. On the surface, everything still looks normal. Offices still exist. Meetings still happen. Jobs are still posted online. But beneath that surface, the definition of value is changing. Earlier, value meant, how hard do you work? How many hours can you give? How many tasks can you complete manually? Now value means, how intelligently do you work? How well do you leverage technology? How quickly can you solve complex problems using powerful tools? This shift is subtle, but brutal, because hard work alone no longer guarantees relevance. And this creates a silent anxiety in the modern workforce. People are working harder than ever, yet feeling less secure than ever. They are upgrading their skills, yet constantly hearing that AI can now perform those same skills faster. They are trying to stay competitive, but the competitor is not another human anymore. It is an intelligent system that never sleeps, never gets tired, never asks for a salary raise, and learns continuously from billions of data points. That changes the nature of competition itself. Earlier, you only had to be better than other people in your field. Now, you also have to be more valuable than the tools those people are using. This is the hidden battlefield of the AI economy. Not human versus human, but human versus augmented human. The person who uses AI effectively versus the person who ignores it. The gap between these two groups will grow every single year. At first, the difference will seem small. A little faster output, a little better research, a little more efficiency. But over time, small advantages become massive advantages. And massive advantages reshape entire industries. Think about what happened to businesses that ignored the internet. They did not collapse instantly. They slowly lost relevance until customers moved on. The same pattern is repeating now, but at a much faster speed. Because AI adoption is happening exponentially. Tools that didn't exist 2 years ago are now capable of performing complex professional tasks. Tasks that once required teams can now be handled by individuals empowered with intelligent software. This creates a new kind of professional, the augmented individual, a single person with the productivity of an entire department. And when organizations realize this, their hiring priorities will change. They will not always look for more employees. They will look for more capable individuals. People who can think strategically. People who can manage intelligent systems. People who can multiply output instead of just adding effort. This is why average performance becomes risky in the AI economy. Because average is exactly what machines are designed to replicate. They are trained on patterns, on common solutions, on predictable responses, which means anything predictable is automatable, and anything automatable eventually becomes replaceable.